She says. Milk. He comes out as a milk.
Mummy, look.
Okay.
Look.
Nah, because this is not me.
The only thing is, I would say, it's maybe if you get more persistent, trying to get what
That'll be fun, won't it?
Sorry.
Cheers, thank you, it's all right. Hello, what's your name?
George. Soho George, I'm known locally.
Soho George.
I'm known locally as Soho George.
So
My hashtag.
How long have you had that name?
I've had it for a long time.
So you're part of Soho?
I've been here for at least 60 years.
So has it changed?
Quite a bit. But of course, it changes all the time.
Yeah.
It's organic. Yeah. I mean, but today it's one thing, tomorrow it's going to be something else. And each generation makes it their own.
Were you part of the early scene of Soho?
I was part of the very early skiffle, rock and roll, 2 Hours Coffee Bar,
Yeah.
Old Compton Street.
And how did you get involved?
Well, I used to go down, it used to be what you call coffee bar cowboys.
Yes.
We used to come up on our scooters as mods, or earlier teddy boys.
Where from?
East London.
Oh, right, yeah.
So I come from Brick Lane.
Did you look for trouble or
Well, trouble, there's always trouble.
getting up to mischief?
Been staring in the face, but then as I said,
So what have been the highlights of being in Soho? You've had a lot of famous people coming through.
But you can be yourself.
Yeah.
You can be an individual.
Yeah.
But I mean, you can leave this area really and be stoned to death for looking different. You know what I mean? So it makes it special in that sense.
Yeah.
You know, over and above that, yeah, I mean, it's a centre of cultural activities, creativity, post-production, artists, poets, everything. Everybody's drawn here. I call it, it's a bit like, I call it like a reservation for weirdos.
Yes.
So,
I mean, a lot of sex shops have closed down, haven't they?
They've been closing down since the 80s, maybe.
Yeah. The internet's taken over in a lot of it.
The internet now you can get, and it's, well, I mean, yeah, I mean, the idea of living behind the screen is something else.
Yeah.
But it's best to be, even though it's become like tame now, because it's accessible.
Yeah.
But it's still more exciting going into the street, meeting people, talking to them.
Yeah.
It's a real world. You know, and you can't capture that behind the screen.
So did you know Derek Jarman?
Who?
Derek Jarman?
I knew Derek, yeah.
Yeah, because he did a film here, didn't he? In Soho.
I think everybody's done a film.
Yeah.
Everybody.
I think
Jarman used to live around Charing Cross Road near behind the Phoenix Theatre.
Yeah.
You know.
What was he like?
It was okay, yeah. Another kind of one of those revolutionaries.
Yeah.
You know, subcultural. There's been so much. I mean, there's people have been writing books about this place for years. There's still loads of stories to come out.
Yeah.
You know. But you've got to be very careful with what you say.
Yeah.
Really, because some people might still be alive.
Yeah.
A lot of people I know are dead, basically. I mean, you know, a lot of people I know.
Have you written any books?
Pardon?
Oh, yeah, have you written any books?
I've got something on Museum of Soho. It's a blog.
Yeah.
On there. There's loads of bits of him. People are doing books at the moment. I'm involved with 2 at the moment.
Yeah. So how can they access your blog?
Sorry?
How can they access your blog?
Go into the Museum of Soho.
The Museum of Soho.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks
There's
very much
loads
for
of stuff on there. It's a great site. It's a virtual museum. It's been going on for over 14 years, I think.
Yeah.
But you need to go on there because the guy Tony, he's saving anything, any ephemera to do with Soho is going on there.
Yeah.
So it's like an archive.
So this area used to be Raymond's review bar, didn't it? Paul Raymond's review bar, which had just been
basically,
scanned.
yeah.
Yeah. So is that going to be revamped, or is it going to open up again, or is it changing altogether?
They're rebuilding this side as a theatre.
Yeah.
So you've got Madame Jojo's being rehashed, but I don't know whether it's going to be the kind of place that it used to be.
Yeah.
It's going to be a very upmarket, I would imagine. I don't know.
Has Soho toned down a bit?
So it's become, yeah, well, of course it has, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people come around here today with their kids would never come out there.
Yeah.
Never. In a billion years.
Sure.
But you know, as you said, it's all online now anyway at the end of the day. All that kind of grittiness is not, it's not really, that's another world, that's another Soho.
It's just moved on somewhere else.
It's another life, it's another world online.
Yeah.
Which don't exist, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So it's always best to engage in the streets, really.
Absolutely, that's what I do anyway.
Pardon?
I don't socialise online. I do more of my work in reality. I just use social network as a magazine to upload information.
I see people like you every day of the week. People talk to me. I'm normally set aside my place or Bar Italia. And I chat to people. And everybody knows me. You know, actors, actresses, all people like that work in the area who come and visit or they're doing post-production. And they'll speak to me. And that's a real role. It's interesting. As opposed to seeing something written by somebody. You do read things online that a lot of it's crap.
Yeah.
And it's not true.
Because it's out of touch.
It's completely, but a lot of it's not factual, it's all wrong.
Yeah.
You know, if you've been around the area and you've seen things, you know, you've got some kind of a encyclopedia imagination or memory, that's not right. I saw a picture today online, it was called L'Enfance Terrible, right? It's been knocked down a long time ago. It's got listed as being in Frith Street, it was actually in Dean Street.
Yeah.
And it's got, but of course, I mean, what's the point? If you spend all day correcting people's mistakes, what's the point? Anyway,
it's wasted energy anyway, isn't it?
I know.
But thanks a lot for your time anyway.
Anyway, don't forget, you can give me a hashtag of Soho Draw.
I will do.
Still ready, are they?
Yeah, cheers.
So you can't. I'm friendly. So this is it's not a Beatles song, but it's covered by John Lennon. And it's this one. Hope you like it. When the night has gone and the land is dark and the moon is the only light we'll see. No, and the planks should crumble to the sea. I won't cry, I won't cry, I won't shed a tear, just as long as you stand by me. And darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, now, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, now, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Stand by me. Stand by me. Thank you very much. Two jumps in a wake up at you. Think that's pretty clever, don't you, bud? Flying on your motorcycle, watching all the ground you drive. Kill yourself for recognition. Kill yourself to never, ever stop. Broken at the mirror, turning into something you are not. Don't leave me there. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me there. Don't leave me dry. Shutting up in conversation, you'll be the one who cannot talk. You just sit there wishing you could still make love. They're the ones who hate you when you think you got the world all so stout. They're the ones who spit at you. You'll be the one screaming out. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me alone. Don't leave me dry. Oh, it's the best thing that you ever had, the best thing that you ever had. It's the best thing that you ever had, the best thing that you ever had is gone away. Don't leave me there. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me there. Don't leave me dry. Don't leave me high. Don't leave me dry.
What's your name?
Sorry.
What's your name?
Augustine. By the way, my name is Augustine. You can search me on Instagram, Augustine Kafka.
What about Facebook?
Like the author.
Facebook?
Yeah, on Facebook too.
How do you spell it?
Augustin Kafka.
Augustine.
Yeah, like Agustin.
Oh, very nice.
Kafka, like the author. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and it helps you out of your fear. With your mouth to remember the taste of your love. Will your eyes still hide from your tears? So maybe I will love you till we're 70. My heart just trivialized a heart of 23. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's just a touch of a hand. Me, I'm falling in love with you every single day. I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now take me to your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh baby, place your head in my beating heart. I'm thinking about loud. Maybe we found the right where we are. When my heart's all back on and my memory fades, and the crowds will remember my name. When my hands don't play the string the same way, I know you will still love me the same. 'Cause honey, you're so